Hey, hi friends. This is Sandy from Sandeep Page. Hope you guys doing good. So this is my YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so please subscribe it and share to your friends. And this is completely one-stop solution for share market. Okay. The today topic is about crude oil. So I already said the crude oil crash is going to come soon. That's what I said. Crude oil crash is going to come soon. That's what I said. Keep on telling. So let's see a detailed analysis about crude oil stuff. Okay, and so I took this investing.com and I took this crude oil, US crude oil, a monthly chart. So monthly chart is always gives a higher time frame and provides a very clear cut solution. Okay, so this is a monthly chart. See, from 2008 on, I took some of the screenshots and I just want to share with you all. And let's see the screenshot first. And see the first screenshot. See, this is the first resistance. Okay, key resistance. This is second one, another key resistance. See, and this is third resistance, and this is fourth one, and this is the fifth one. Okay, see all the key resistance. See, the price was 143, 114, 74, 64, and right now 39. And sometimes the crude oil went around minus $40. Yeah, minus 40 stuff. So okay, see the market taking almost like see, when last 12 years the market crude oil is not touching more than 140. That is the day, that is the all-time high. Hasn't touched all-time high as of now. So this, the market is taking the resistance, coming down, again coming down, again going up, again coming down, again going up, coming down, going up, and coming down, again touching the resistance right now here, this candle, and might be coming down. Probably this is what. So the crude oil tends is like it's forming in lower low. It's forming in lower low and lower high. That till from 2008, the crude oil, the entire crude oil is in downtrend. So that's what. See this candle. See next stuff. 1 second. See the crude oil, exactly what I said is crude oil is, see exactly the crude oil is in lower trend. See, exactly guys. See, the market is forming here and there and probably going down. Probably like this might be resistance like $10 or whatever it is in upcoming. That's a crash is going to come. Crude oil crash is going to come. Number 4, the US election. So everything comes into collapse to affect the global market as well as the crude oil stuff. See, the market is forming lower low, lower high, lower lows and lower highs. So completely the market is in downtrend from 2008 onwards. The clear cut market is given a push. See, this last from 2011 onwards, the market is given a steady till 2015. The market is in kind of sideways market. So apart from again given a fall, again coming down, again coming down, again going up, coming down. So exactly the market is forming a trend line. This is a monthly chart, guys. This is monthly chart. Go, don't forget. Exactly the market is taking a trend line. See, market exactly taking a trend line. Exactly the market is taking a trend line from here. See, exactly market is taking a trend. Almost like past 12 years, from 2008 onwards, the market is exactly taking a trend line. So the technical analysis follows a beautiful pattern, gives a very good pattern. So this is what happens here. Next we see the Fibonacci retracement for this chart. Okay, so what the Fibonacci retracement? Let's see the Fibonacci retracement. I took a swing high and swing low, right? So always Fibonacci is almost like 800 years, 900 years old tool. It takes a swing high and swing low. This is a swing high, right? So this is a swing high and this is a swing low, right? So I taken from Fibonacci from here to here, gives exactly, see, it's in between. In between is market is giving a resistance. In between, it doesn't cross 78.6, that is 0.786. It's in between like 61.8. So again the market is coming down. See, once this 38.2 crosses, the market is coming down. For this, almost like from almost like 3 years, 3 to 4 years, the market isn't traveling in sideways. See, the market is traveling in sideways like this, again falling down. Again, there's another trend line forming, channel forming, again broken down, again a small channel, again broken down, again this is a channel is forming. So everything is forming in a channel pattern. So the market exactly supports the Fibonacci retracement. It doesn't broken the 78.6, that is 0.786, guys. See, when it comes to again this trend line, when it comes to this 4th chart, again see, again a beautiful trend line is forming, a triangle pattern. See, again a beautiful triangle pattern is formed. So again it's broken here. There's a key support. Once broken, given big candle, again falling down, again going up. So this is what happened, again forming at resistance. So from year to year, the market giving a huge support, 70, almost like 61.8, in between the 61.8, 78.6. Again the market is forming a symmetrical triangle, almost like 3 to 4 years, again giving a fall. Again see, when it comes to taking the swing high and swing low for this, again exactly see, the market is touching 68.6. Oh my god, this is the miracle, guys. This is the exactly the technical analysis. The price action patterns and Dow theory always works in every stuff. Exactly happens, see, 68.6. Exactly, market exactly touches 6.8, 68.6. And moreover, this is a trend line, guys. This is a trend line. See, this is a trend line exactly supporting here, 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 and here. Exactly supporting, touching the trend line, all the things. Resistance. See, this is how the technicals works brilliantly well for this. And let's see, let's complete this video. Let's complete this. See, again this. Again we took a 16.8. Again for the same monthly time frame, I'm taking again this swing high to swing low. Again the market exactly touches 68.6, 61.8, sorry. See, I'm taking here exactly, see, exactly market touching and reversing, swing high to swing low, exactly marking. See, market when creates a market sideways, you get a big fall with a big red candle. This is what indicates. This is what indicates a big red candle. Yeah, 2 red candles are falling down now. This is what happens. So market exact crude oil respects 61.8, doesn't cross 78.6. That is very very important. See, 78.6 is like 53.9. It doesn't, crude oil never crosses in their history 78.6. Remember, guys, that's very very important. See, I took a weekly time frame. Okay, let's go get to this. So I said here, this is completely forming. Let's let this trend line first, and let's try a retracement. Okay, this is the recent swing high and swing low, right? This is the recent swing high and swing low I took. Okay, see, 42.90, almost like past 2 months the market touching 42.90, 61.8. Once it crosses 78.6, definitely it will buy trend. Till then we can expect $20 or $28 or $35 in upcoming days. That's very very damn sure. Okay, I'm shifting to this weekly time frame. Don't forget, the market, the crude oil doesn't cross 78.6 in the history. Right now the market touching 61.8 exactly, that is 40 to close to $42. Definitely the crash will come. It will reach to $20 or $25 approximately on that time, once the crash occurs. So let's get into the weekly time frame. I think I got some stuck in internet stuff, and once again. Okay, So I took, this is a weekly time frame, right? This is a weekly time frame. Again I took a clear Fibonacci. See the swing high and swing low. This is recent swing high, this is as recent high, and minus $40. See, I took a swing high and swing low here. Exactly, the market always, this creates a sideways. This creates a sideways that it tells me like it's going to huge fall. It happens here or here or here or no knows here, but this is not possible. Probably this is the huge area, 61.8. I'm expecting $25 as of now, right now. Yeah, the huge market sideways creating. Okay, let's get into the stuff. So I took a swing high and swing low. See, exactly forming 61.8. That's the power of retrace. That's the power of Fibonacci. It forms like beauty, man. This is the beauty. 61.8. See, exactly market is touching and reversing. Probably it might go on all up and down. So this is Indian market. Let's move to the US market. I'm showing that to the Indian market. Okay, let's focus on the US market. I'm going to the weekly time frame. Minus $40. See, you can see the difference to Indian crude oil has 61.8 exactly touches. When it comes to the US market, this is minus, this dollars creates minus. This creates a panic. That's almost like minus $40 when a crude oil gets crashed, and they're touching here. When you see it is in, see, exactly creating here. That's what I'm showing. When you go into day chart, the market creates a sideways. See, exactly the market creates a sideways. When you see this is thing. See, almost the market creates a sideways. How many weeks? Close to 10 to 12 weeks. When you see in day chart, clear again. See, sideways again. See, there is a pullover. It's creating another small sideways. See, small triangle pattern forming, and once we broken, we can go for a buy. Again forming, and again see, again a small sideways. This is a pullover candle. Again a sideways, a triangle pattern. Once it breaks, it's going up. So probably might be reach here or here, else comes down like this is exactly in between here. It might reach to almost like $44 and comes down to $25 to $30 very soon. Yeah, if you see in 1 hour also, the market is exactly in sideways. See, almost like sideways, completely sideways, guys. There's a big sideways. This is a subset of sideways. Consolidation, exactly in consolidation. That's what I'm saying. It's going to, huge crash is going to come. When you see in monthly time frame, as I said, the Fibonacci. Let's finish this video in another 30 to 40 seconds. See the Fibonacci. I took a swing high and swing low. Exactly, see, exactly 61.8. Last 3 to 4 weeks, the market exactly touches 61.8. The guys are telling, wow, what happened, sir? Why the crude oil is not a good is not trending? What is happening? Sideways. This is what happens. The crude oil exactly travels in sideways. This is exactly happen. Crude oil is traveling in sideways all the time. That's the reason the crude oil is traveling in sideways. See, again this is another swing low. Took again 68.8. Here also 61.8. So the market touches exactly 61.8 and respects and again comes down. That's what happening, guys. Always the crude oil never breaks 678.6. It always respects 60. Never break 678.6. It always touches 61.8. This is what, guys, the crude oil will come down. Definitely it will come down to give a fall. That's what I'm saying. See, the market is might be come down here. So please be aware. Don't be in buy side. That's the only option I can tell you. That market will come down, touching the resistance, touching the resistance again here, might come here, almost like taken this a major one. I'm almost $20 is my target. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my video and channel for more updates, and stay safe and take care. Bye bye.